VARC, I think the total was around 63 or 65, yes, sir. And DILR was 48. For quant, it was around I think same amount, 40 something. I don't remember the numbers.
This time, I think championship test quant is bit moderate, but not difficult, right?
Okay.
So tell me which portion you need some guidance, which portion you feel that you can improve.
In quant, I have to improve speed, sir. Speed and basic masses, work and time, and profit percentages, all those like basic maths type, that it's taking more time, and that I have to practice more problems.
Okay, so means your arithmetic is not good, not as per your expectation.
Like the problems, they are kind of they seem to be simple, but solving is taking some time. I have to get that logic, that
Yes.
small part. If I get that logic, then I can solve it.
Okay, so do you have mathematics in class 12th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about your graduation?
Now I am doing 4th year engineering.
Okay, engineering. Which stream?
The engineering branch.
Yes, branch.
Civil engineering.
Okay, I'm also civil engineer. 1997 pass out.
Okay.
Okay, so you belong to which city?
I am from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, Grishma. So, for example, if you want to improve time and work, so did you join any coaching institute, or you are watching my free videos or other educator free video?
Last year I had joined, sir. But now that membership is expired, so I'm doing from an academy only, classes and everything.
Okay. And what did you give CAT exams last year?
No, sir. This year I'll give. Last year was just I was trying to get practice, but
Okay.
I think I'll give this year.
So your score in, if we consider VARC, this is good score. In this 63 score, you can get, you can expect more than 95 or 98 percentile in CAT. LRDI is also good, but quant is a problem because if we consider this time championship test, the paper is moderate. A student can get easily 60 to 65 questions or 60 to 65 marks in this paper, right? And you got 40 marks. And can you tell me how many questions did you mark wrongly?
I think wrong were around 8 or 7 or 8, I think.
And correct?
Correct was
12. I think 12. That's why your score would be 40. 12, 3 is no, I think your correct would be 15 or 16.
Sir, I have only this time and work, and probability and permutations. Those small topics, that only I leave this topic at the end, so that I'll do it at last if I have time. But again, maybe I spend so much time on them. I should do them at last. Do the simple ones first.
Yes. The problem is to select which of the question is difficult or which of the question is easy. It is very important in exam like CAT or other exam which require your time, right? So, Grishma, I think you start like this. Let's say for the next championship test, which is there on tomorrow, right? So do one thing. First of all, break your paper into 3 parts, right? So last time on last Saturday, you got 15, 16 correct and 7 wrong, right? 7 or 8 wrong. This is your average.
Yes.
Right? So you are able to solve, or you are able to touch only 23 questions, right? You are able to touch only 23 questions. So next championship test start like this. For first 20 minutes, you have to solve only 7 questions, right? Then next 20 minutes, try to solve at least 8 questions, and then next 20 minutes, 8 questions. So with this, you can cover 23 questions, right? And it is very important कि इस तरह के exam में, for example, CAT exam, you have to start with, you have to mark some time limit for each and every question, right? Now tell me, did you face any problem in solving some certain question and you devote more time in solving a particular question?
Like I said, sir, in probability questions and this time and work question, that is taking some time. Other mensuration and geometry type is fine, that I can do. only these basic topics.
Okay.
थोड़ा brush up करना.
So do one thing. First of all, I have my time and work free videos available on Unacademy, right? So watch these videos and try to solve as many as question possible for time and work.
Yes.
Do you have any book?
I think I bought some practice books, sir. General CAT.
Practice book is sufficient, and try to give as many mocks possible. How many mocks are giving this in a week?
In a week, an academy only, sir. Saturday, every Saturday, an academy tests, and till last month also all an academy series only, test series.
Okay, so can you get some previous year mock from other coaching institute as well?
I think I have those mock test papers, sir. I have last year.
So do one thing, give 1 or 2 mock in a week online, and try to give 2 or 3 mocks offline as well, right? And give more attention to those part in which you feel some problem and in which you're weak. For example, you are weak in time and work, right? And do you able to solve question on time, speed, distance?
Time, distance, those I can solve. That is taking some more time, but I can solve them. That
Okay. So remember, in arithmetic, time and work is very important, and time, speed, distance is also very important. Means if you consider these 2 chapters only, you can find 4 to 5 questions in CAT. It is equally important as mensuration geometry, right? But and what about algebra?
Algebra, I think that is fine, sir. That I can manage.
Okay. So if you can note down, please note some important chapters on which you have to be very sharp. Number 1, percentage, profit, loss, and ratio. Out of these 3, you can expect 4 questions in every CAT examination or any other MBA entrance test, like Z, SNAP, IFT, and other examination. So these 3 chapters, then time and work, time, speed, distance, 4 questions out of this. And then averages 1 question. Always 1 question is there from averages. So arithmetic, focus on these 7 chapters: time and time, work, time, speed, distance, averages, profit, loss, ratio, and percentage, right? So solve as many advanced question on these part, right? Then in algebra, linear equation, right? Then quadratic, then in equation.
All equations.
Out of these 3, you can expect 3 questions, right? In equation, 1 or 2 question always there. If you see last 5-year papers, you can find 2 or 1 question from this in equation. Quadratic is 1 is there. So you can expect 2 to 3 questions from these 3 parts. Then logarithm, 2 questions from logarithm. Then 2 questions from APGP, sequence series, right? Then 2 questions from functions. And in case of function, see, if you start from any book, you can find several concepts in function, but the important part is composition of function. Fx, f of fx, g of fx, and g of gx, like these type of question. This is known as composition of function. So there is one question always from this composition of function, right? So prepare this composition of function, right? So function, you can expect 2 questions. Then number system, you can expect 2 to 3 questions. And try to be more precise in case of number system on digit problems, divisibility problems, right? Because these days they are not asking some old fashioned question like remainders. They are not asking remainder questions. They're not asking they're not asking unit digit problems, right? They are more precise on unit digit, divisibility, and pairs, ordered pairs, right? So focus on these type of concepts on number system. And in case of probability and permutation, prepare only basic of it, right? Try to go with basic and do not go with complicated questions in probability and permutation, right? So I think this is the strategy for your concept clearation. Then mock test, give 20 minute, 3 part. Never give more than 2 minutes in any question, right? If you are not able to solve in 2 minutes, then skip this and go to the next question, right? This is the second strategy you should follow with every mock test, and give at least 2 online mock tests per week, and if possible give 2 offline mock tests per week, right? So possibly give 4 mock tests in a week, and then analysis is very important. You may find several shortcuts, important tips when you watch its, when you see its solution. If possible, watch its video solution. So I think you watch video solution for championship test as well.
Okay, okay.
So we provide video solution for championship test as well, right? Do you know this point?
Yes, yes, I checked it, sir.
You attended this. Provide 5 to 8. I think after on every Saturday, after 1 hour of the test, we provide its complete video solution. So it will be also be helpful for you.
Oh, yes, sir.
Right? Any other query?
Sir, like this only in quant, what is the like good score out of for say 95% or 99%? How
Okay,
much should I score?
See, if you got, if we consider last year paper 2019, 65 plus is 99 percentile, more than 99. 65 plus previous year paper. If we consider 2019, it depends. If you can expect, if you solve 22 questions with 90% accuracy, you will get more than 95 percentile, right? And if you solve 25 questions with 90% accuracy, means 25 question with 2 or 3 wrong and 22 correct, you can get 99 percentile and above. So main target is cross 60 marks barrier, right? 60 marks, if you got more than 60 marks, it is close to 99. And it is very important if paper is tough, right? If paper is difficult, then less mark, more percentile, right? If paper is tough for 19 paper or 2018 paper, it is around 65 plus will fetch you 99 percentile. So we are assuming that this year, because IIM Indore is conducting this year CAT paper, so it may be possible that algebra and geometry would be tough, right? And they will have more question on algebra and mensuration geometry, right? You can expect 12 to 13 question from these two parts only, mensuration geometry and algebra, right? And the level of difficulty from these two would be higher. So we can expect 60 plus will be good score in this year CAT.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you're getting 40, so you have to increase, you have to solve at least 7 question correct more, right?
And this numerical, like when they have to enter for +3 -0, those kind of questions, those for multi-correct, that I can put some option, but for the which doesn't have multiple this negative marking, for that उसमें थोड़ा ऐसा उसके लिए नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, दैट्स फाइन, लेकिन ओके यू कैन पुट एनी आंसर इफ यू वांट, कभी कभी रॉन्ग हो जाता है.
So because this is the practice CAT used to take last 5 years, theta means there is no negative marking, so student at last can write anything. But it is very important, you must solve every question through a complete concept as well, right? If options are mentioned, first try to solve by using option when you're practicing all these concepts. So first, if possible, solve any question using option, right? But once you got your answer, then try its complete solution as well. To overcome this theta problem, you have to solve each and every question using complete concept. Because in CAT, we can find 6 to 7 questions which are theta, right? So we need to solve every question with complete concept, right? If you don't know concept, you can't answer a theta question, right? Because what we can write in theta is infinite, right? We can write infinite values in theta. It's very important. You must solve this question and any theta question completely so that you will get correct answer, right? Actually, every student asks me, sir, if we write any random figure, right? This will not help. So the practice every question with its complete concept, right? Yes. Any other query?
I think this much only, sir. DILR also same, sir. For me, accuracy and speed, I have to increase in DILR. I have to do more.
Yes, yes. Grishma, the problem is for DILR, you must remember all type of concept, right? All type of set, and it is very important. You must solve one set every day.
Okay.
You can set your time that you will solve a set every day in the morning, or if every day afternoon or in the evening. Means you have to solve one set and different set every day. Means day one you solve a set which have some hidden value, and you may solve a set which containing ranking, right? So every day solve one set, and never watch it, never see its solution. Try to give at least half an hour. If you're not able to solve, then go to the solution, right? Because brain teasing is very important in LRDI. Means, you need to be give dimension to your brain, right? How can you imagine? How can you practice a question? For that, you have to use your brain again and again.
Yes.
In DILR, give at least half an hour for every set when you are practicing, right?
Okay. I think that's it, sir.
So your queries are all completed.
हाँ बस यही था सर. Only they have to improve speed and accuracy, sir, in everything.
Yes, see, accuracy, you can improve your accuracy if you give some time for every question. Means never go with 34 question in any examination, right? For initial 1 to 10 mock test, give at least 20 question in 1 hour, right? Go for 20 question only. Maybe possibly you may solve more than 20, but if you go for 34 question, maybe possibly solve only 15 questions, right? Do not take pressure that just 30 minutes left and you just solve 10 question, right? It is your practice. Means if you solve only 10 questions in first 30 minutes, it is okay, right? It is not like we left with 24 question. Ab kya hoga? This pressure is problem, right? In an examination like this, that 30 minutes left and I am just solve 7 or 8 questions, right? Go for 3 minutes for each question. Make a maximum time for a question 3 minutes. Maybe possibly solve it within 3 minutes, or maybe possibly you can solve it in 1 minute. There are some questions. See, in every exam, if we consider 2019, 18 or 17 paper, we have 15 easy questions, right? But it is not like the first 15 are easy. You have to find which of the following is easy, right? We have 15 easy, then 12 moderate, and 7 difficult questions. If you can search those 7 difficult questions, and can you believe in 2019, 1 question of ratio is very difficult, right? And a student always solve these type of questions regularly. So they start with that particular question and they take 3 to 4 minutes. And if you start with the wrong question in any examination, then it will affect your next question as well. It is very important which question to choose, which question to leave.
Yes.
Right. So, always remember, in every CAT exam, if we consider all last 5 year papers, we can find 25 doable question, 25 to 27 doable question, 15 very easy, 12 moderate, and 7 are difficult. So if you can find those difficult questions, then you will get more than 99 percentile. This is very important, how to select these questions. So this is known as sieving concept. आप कभी चीज को छानते हो ना, this is sieving concept, and it comes through practice, right? So for example, if you solve a question, let's say it is a question of race, right? There is a question in last year exam, A beat B by 100 meter in a race of 1 kilometer, and B beat C by 50 meter, and what is the length of the race? So this is the easiest question, right? If you solve these type of question while practicing, you can solve this question in examination very easily. But if question is like this, Rohan start at 8 p.m., Mohan start at 9 p.m. These questions are also very easy, but it requires practice. Means if you find these type of questions, you can solve within 30 seconds, right? But if you find any new question, so leave that particular question. First of all, select 15 question or 12 question which are easy, right? So you can start first for next 10 to 5 mock tests. You can say for this month, September, you follow the strategy of solving only 20 or 21 question in 1 hour, right? After that, start searching for easy one, right? Or you can start this practice from next mock test onward. First of all, read the question. It will give you instinct that whether yes or no, right? When you see a particular question, it will be automatically come from your mind that whether you will start or you can solve this, or yes or no, right? जब आप कोई question देखते हो तो आपके दिमाग में आता है, yes, I can solve it. Yes, I cannot solve it. No, I am not able to solve it. So this first 10 seconds when you read this question, if you yes, then go ahead, and otherwise skip to the next question. Right? So there are two type of practice in any mock test. One is 7-7-7, 7-8-8, right? 7-7-7, it will give you 21 questions, and 7-8-8 around, or you can go with 8-8-8 in every 20 minutes, right? Second strategy is start solving easy question first, right? And then there are three types of question, as I discussed: easy, moderate, and difficult. And it comes through practice. When you practice more and more, you can find that these type of question are very easy. If you find question like A plus B ratio A minus B is 1:3, right? If you find question like this, so you know that you have to apply componendo dividendo in this, right? If question is this, mixture 200 ml of mixture of water and milk is in the ratio this, it is mixed with this mixture, then what is the final ratio? You know that you can solve this question very easily. So second approach of solving a mock, start with easy, search for easy, then go moderate, and then skip the difficult one, right? And this is only way you can improve, and this is true for all part, DILR and VRC as well, right? If you read Hindu, then you can find that there are several editorial in which you can find match with the CAT examination, right? And if possible, watch our Unacademy Catalyst channel. There is Abhilasha ma'am. She used to take daily 9 a.m. Hindu editorial discussion. That would be very beneficial. So it will help you in VRC. Your score in VRC is good, but you can improve in that. So next target, because you said that you got 63 marks in VRC. So your next target would be 75 for VRC. So the point is improve your strongest part, right? Improve your strongest part, that is VRC, then work on your quant part. This score, you're getting quant as 40, so you have to increase it to 50. First target, you have to increase quant to 50, LRDI to 60, and VRC 75. And if you can get to this mark, 100 percentile is sure for you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other query?
Yes, nothing, sir.
Okay. So try to get top rank in the next championship test tomorrow, and we will discuss it again. We will discuss how many marks you are getting in that particular test, right?
Yes, sir. Fine. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All the best, Grishma.
Thank you, sir.